Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your chats in Telegram, a feature that can help refresh your app and clear any cached issues with conversations. To begin, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen to open the menu. From here, select Settings. Now that you're on the Settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Here, you'll see details about your current version of Telegram. Tap and hold on this version information for a moment. A small pop-up message will appear, asking you to long press again to access the debug menu. Go ahead and tap and hold the version information once more. Once the debug menu appears, scroll through the options until you find one that says Reset Chats. Simply tap on this option, and the app will reset your chats, refreshing the conversation interface and clearing any minor issues. And that's it! You've now successfully reset your Telegram chats. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.